Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the wallpaper section. Then let's tap on Add New Wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. Actually, we've got a lot of options, different albums, etc. So here we can enter our own photos and set our own photo as a wallpaper. We can use the photo shuffle, which means that our device will automatically change the wallpapers. We can choose something from the emojis, colors, astronomy and weather. And under it you've got pretty same albums. However, you can check the preview of them. As you can see here, we've got emojis, we've got plenty of options to choose from. They are really interesting. We've got also the kaleidoscope. This one is quite pretty. Here we've got something called Unity. And those options are also pretty. They are more or less abstract. Here we've got the Pride, which is connected with the Pride colors, iOS 26, so those which are more default. We've got also collections and the colors. So basically, to set the new wallpaper, simply tap on the preview, on the specific wallpaper, and it will appear on the full screen. Moreover, here you can customize the look of the screen. So for example, you can tap on the clock and you can change the font and the color. You can change the font style just by tapping on the specific option, and you can also change the thickness of the font. So by going to the right in the switcher, you can make it let's say fuller, and by going to the left you can make it thin. Under it you've got also the color options which you can choose. So just pick the one which will be visible. So I think I will leave this one. It looks pretty nice. We've got also this option glass and solid. So basically after choosing the glass, it will be more or less transparent, a little bit see-through, and the solid one, as you can see, it will be simply solid. Alright, I will pick the glass color. Here you can also add widgets, so it's up to you what you'd like to show. So for example, you can show the Instagram music, shortcuts, or the calendar clock, even though that the clock is here, so it's not really the best option, to be honest. Alright, so if you wish to, moreover, I forgot to say that you can simply swipe to the right and to the left, and now you can see that you can change the colors. Here you've got also the names of the colors, so warm silver, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, and multicolored, and I think I will pick this option. So to finish everything, to actually set the wallpaper, simply tap on Add in the right upper corner. And now you can decide whether you'd like to set it as a wallpaper or customize the home screen. I think I will set it as wallpaper pair, so just let me tap on it, and now we can go back, and the wallpaper has been applied, at least it should. We've got this color change in the background, so we can lock the screen. And was it really applied? Not really. Why? We should see, and yes, we've got those bubbles, those bouquet effects, so it means that we just successfully set the wallpaper. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.